Hi, this is Postgres and pgAdmin in Docker. Welcome. My system Ubuntu 24. I have Intel i7. Let's copy this code in step 0 and paste it right here to open the VS Code. There you have it. Let's dismiss this Windows. Let's go to the terminal right here, and there you have it. Fine, let's dismiss this Windows too. Now let's go to the see if we have the Docker. What Docker we have? -v, we have Docker 27, and let's clean the house. Delete all the directory or image that we have, and so on. Let's see. Let's go to this step 1. Let's create a Docker Control C Docker network paste. Okay, create my network. Fine. Now let's go to this step 2. Start the Docker container Postgres, my Postgres, Control C. Let's paste it right here, and let's wait for the best. Fine, I'm downloading all the image to run Postgres, image Postgres in my machine. Call it my Postgres database. Wait for the best. Okay, there you have it. Let's clear it up, and let's go to this step 3 and see if we have the port occupied. Sorry, Control C, paste it right here, and let's see, nothing. Let's proceed to the next step. Step 4. Let's copy this and let's paste it, change the directory right here, and this is to post my pgAdmin. Let's paste it right here, and let's modify only my email. Let's see, right here, Gmail, and my email. Put your email right here, and let's run and hope for the best. Wait for the best. Wait for the image, and let's go to this step 5, Docker PS. See, okay, let's clear up. Let's copy Docker PS, and we have the two, my Postgres and Postgres. Yes, all right. The two container is my pgm and my Postgres right here. Fine. Now let's go to see if we can access, and what you have to do is go to the document, go to the directory, right, and give the permission to it access. Create right here, and let's see, see again. Property, permissions, file, right here. Oh, sorry. Let's see. Properties, permissions, yes, enclose file, and there you have it, right here. That's right. Now let's go to here, and let me paste it right here in this fine. Now let's see, let's log in, and there you have it. And I have a server. You have to right click here, register server, and put this name right here. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and the connection, and you can put the comment here, date November 224, and connection, you can put this data, my Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Postgres, hit it. That's it, and let's save it, and there you have it. And we have the database only with the Postgres right here. Now I want that you have a file right here. Let's see, you have to go to the database, create database, and name it DVD rental database. Okay, put your comment here, save. Now go to here, restore, and click right here and here, and let's upload the file and choose the file. Let me see where I put it. Okay, you put this file here. Okay, select. Okay, now you put cancel, and now you can see the database right here. Fine, restore, and wait for the best, and there you have it. And now go to the schema. Okay, let's refresh, go to this schema, and let me see, database, and all the database to work with is right here. And that's it. Thank you very much for joining me here at J3 channel. I hope you liked this video. Thank you. Bye.